are we starting? Oh, hi. No, I'm kidding. I knew you were there, really. You might wonder why on earth I've got bread and fixins in front of me. Well, to the untrained eye, it might look like I'm making a sandwich, and I am. But I'm also doing this for a reason. First of all, I need a lunch for tomorrow. And secondly, this is going to be part of our giving instructions lesson. Now, as you watch me do this, you'll realize that there are a lot of steps to what I'm doing. I don't just wave a magic wand and have a sandwich. There are a lot of different things I have to do. Each thing has its own instruction. So I think you can see where I'm going with this. I am going to get all of you to come up with a list of instructions for something that I need to do. Could be making a sandwich. You could write down the instructions for me on how to make a sandwich that you think is good. Or you could come up with an idea of telling me something else that I could be doing. For example, how to brush my teeth. Maybe you think I need to make sure I know how to do that. Maybe how to make your favorite recipe. Maybe how to do a cartwheel, which I must admit I've never learned to do. Or ride a bike, which I probably won't learn how to do at this point, but here you go. But you come up with an idea of some instructions you could write for me that you could tell me what to do. And I will take your instructions and make a video and post it here. And we'll see if your instructions meet all the criteria for good instructions. Now remember what those criteria are. Good instructions need to use imperative verbs. Those are the ones that tell you what to do. Take 2 pieces of bread, add meat, dry the pickle. Always dry your pickle, otherwise your bread gets soggy. That kind of thing. Make sure that your instructions are clear. Make sure they are short, and show. Now I will be doing the show part. Now our word of the day that you can see here is the word demonstrate. Now demonstrate is a little bit like yesterday's word, which was illustrate. Illustrate generally means to draw a picture of something so that people can understand what you're talking about. Demonstrate is you actually doing it yourself. So you're showing people what you mean by doing it right in front of them. So if you write me a set of instructions, I will do the demonstration and you will get to see your instructions on a video. Now, I warn you, be sure you don't skip any instructions. For example, when I've done this in the past with sandwiches, sometimes kids forget to do things like tell me to use bread, and then my sandwich is just meat and cheese and pickle, which sounds okay, but it's not really a sandwich then. Or they forget to tell me to get a plate, or they forget, I guess I didn't use my knife, but they forget to tell me what things I need in order to make the sandwich. So be clear, be short, and remember to use imperative verbs, and I will demonstrate how to follow your instructions. So that is your challenge for this week. And when you do send it to me, I will show it on a video. So I hope that you will join for that. And that is all for today. Have a good day. Bye.